Hey everyone, welcome to my Natural Life Skill Training Institute. This institute give earning within learning. Let's change life with Natural's Life Skill Training Institute. The CEO of this institute, Abdul Ghaffar, always give the prizes to those people that done the great effort in his institute. He is a very sincere person. They give everyone their right due. Do you want to beautify your life financially, physically, and mentally? Today I share the success story of my institute. My institute gave the prize to those workers that done the work hard in this institution. Now I take the names of the great personalities who have given these prizes. Natural Life Skill Training Institute winners. Madam Tareem got the prize of $250 fixed monthly salary. Madam Nida got the prize of iPhone 14 Pro Max. Madam Rimsha got the prize of iPhone 14 Pro Max. Mr. Zain Abbas 125 bike. Mr. Huzaifa Qureshi got the prizes of Android phone. Mr. Muhammad Danish got the prize of CD bike. Mr. Muawiyah Khan got the prize of Alta car. Mr. Muhammad Nisar Khan got the prize of Honda City car winner. So I invite all people that those who want to achieve success in life and are living life in a lot of trouble should come to our institution so that they can learn along with earning and make your life easy by working hard and also make your family's life easy. And win the prizes like those great persons whose names we have just repeated before you may attain great rewards. History is a witness that those who work hard are definitely successful, and every city of Pakistan, the Natural Life Skill Training Institute are present for those people who want to grow their self and become successful in life. Our skilled trainer give the feedback to our new coming members. Thanks for watching.